Hi guys! So nandito kami uli ngayon sa Canada, Windsor. Later kasi atin kami ng birthday party. So ayan, dumaan muna kami dito sa Riverwalk sa side ng Canada. Kuya, say hi!
Ang lamig guys!
Mas malamig ngayon kasi negative 11 Celsius yung temperature at mas maraming yellow ngayon saka snow. Ayan.
Let's go! Mag-picture kami ulit guys kasama si Kuya dito sa Detroit Skyline. Kasi last time di siya kasama.
Lalim dyan, kaya sa... Let's go! Hey, hey! Just relax, just relax.
Yay, lalim!
Just relax. Oo.
Yay!
Oh.
Alang lalim!
Relax, relax. Let's go.
Ito na pumasok ako sa
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go!
We have to go up. Hi guys! So, dinala ko lang si Ellie sa playground kasi gusto daw niya makita. Ayan, say hi Ellie! Is it cold? No. Hello guys, nandito na kami sa Devonshire Mall. Windsor pa rin siya. So, kakain lang kami.
Mom, I'm looking at the satellite so I can get warm.
Samuel, wait for Mama. And Papa. Okay.
Ang saya. Ang ganda ng mall nila. Deprived kami sa mall. So, hindi ka tulad sa Pinas ang daming malls. Sa US, at least sa Michigan hindi masyado. Order lang si Papa Mike dyan guys, sa Jimmy the Greek. There's Papa, oh. Can you see Papa?
Ano yung Malden Park? Tapos ang tutok niya yun, yung mga pababa na yun. Tayo na lang mag-ano. Ayun ang Malden Park World Trails. Hi guys! So dito na kami sa next stop namin. Andito na kami sa Malden Park. Yan. Windsor pa rin naman siya. So yung mga bata ay naglalaro na sa snow. Kaya titingnan namin yung park kung anong meron dito. Tapos ay makikita niyo sa likod, parang slide, parang slope. Tapos punta kami doon. Akyatan namin. Yan. The City of Windsor. Yan. Let's just see what's up there. So from here, tatry na yung makyat doon. You don't like it's our first time.
Papa,
Yes.
each winter can I just use this?
Sure, sure.
Wow, it's so nice. Ang ganda. What new bridge? It's nice. Guys, it's nice. It's nice. Pataas. So dito ata yung mga nag-i-sled. Pero we're just climbing up. At mamaya tingnan namin kung ano yung meron sa taas. Go push your hand.
Wait for a cross.
Oh, 4 crosses? Where?
Let's hold that.
Here, here, and then there.
Oh, alright.
Let's see what's up.
Okay.
3 and 4.
Okay. Thank you. Let's go up. Let's walk higher. Ha? Yeah, dito sila nag-iisa no, sled. Or ano yun? Tobogganing. Yeah, nakakatakot kasi ang taas. So, simula dun guys. Simula dun, pababa hanggang dun. Nakakatakot. Siguro okay sa kanila. Hindi sa akin. Natakot sa heights. Yan, it's nice. It's almost 1 o'clock kaya ayan yung araw. Matirik yung araw.
So guys, malapit na kami sa pinaka tuktok niya. Ayan. So ayan yung slope. Say hi, kuya.
Hi! Ellie, hi!
Yung bridge na yon na color blue from afar, yun na yung Ambassador Bridge. Yan naman yung Howie D Bridge, yung bagong tulay from Detroit and Canada. So nanggaling kami doon. Andito na kami ngayon, malapit sa taas ng trail. Ito na yung taas ng trail. Ayan. Tapos that side, yung building na yun, yun yung Renaissance Center. Yeah. Diyan kami galing kanina. Nagka-picture kami along the riverside. Yan. So that's Detroit. Kakit na sila.
Mama, this is so simple where I stood, Mama.
What?
This is I bet this is where I stood. Yeah, this is the spot where we can see the city.
Good job, guys.
That's for the circle. I was
What is it, kuya?
this is my climbing flag.
Climbing flag?
Yes.
So this is the mark. Because you climbed this. Is that right?
Yeah.
Can you write the date today?
Yeah.
Yeah, write the date today. This is your first time to hike. Family hike. What date is it today?
February. How do you spell February?
You know it. Shout out sa aking brother. First time ko tayo sa shout out dito, Jason Binarao. So, happy birthday. Yan, dahil mahilig ka rin naman din mag-hike. Yan, first time namin mag-hike as a family. So, happy birthday. God bless.
What's this?
Okay.
Here?
Kala ko guys, makikita niya, hindi pala.
And 2023 lang pala pinaan yung Malden Park. Ito
Oh, okay.
the highest vantage point in Windsor.
Oh.
Mama, I see plants. Look.
Oh.
Mama, give me a look. Look at me. I see that one here. Look.
Yeah.
You can adjust, you know. Mama, you have to adjust so that you can see.
Where? At the bottom?
Yeah, like this. Oh. Too far, then.
What can you see, kuya?
It's quite blurry, but I can see the new bridge.
Right? Ellie, what's right?
It's blurry, Papa.
Larry?
Yes.
Why is it Larry?
Can you see something,
Hey
Ellie?
guys, so pababa na kami. Dumating na yung mga kasama namin pero nandun sila sa kabilang side nung park. Doon daw kami sa hill. Ayan. Ay sila pababa na rin.
Finish line of the hill? Nay! Wala. Ba yan? Kung kailan pa, nandito sa baba, muntik pa madulas talaga. Yay! We did it! Guys, totoo na to. Dito na kami. Yeah, with that. No, you don't need that. Ayan. So, meet na namin yung friends namin. Ayan. Guys, nandito sila lahat. Say hi, kuya. Asa sila? Hi, Ate Zoe. Asa si Pia?
Si Pia na doon sa mataas.
Taas, wow, ang tapang. Ito guys, kaya pala walang tao doon. Sabi namin, ba't walang tao? Dito pala mga tao.
Ano na
Ano
po
ba
tayo
mga
yung
tao?
park?
Park!
Asa sa conservation park?
Sabi sa invitation mo, siya pa, nakalagay Malden Park, papakita ko yung invitation mo. Asa dati? O kaya nga pareho din na address.
Pala nalagay ko Malden Hill.
Oo.
Pero okay lang.
Asa ate Ruby?
Nandun kay Tia. Doon sa ano. Hello, welcome to Malden Hill.
Ayan. Kanina pa nagchika-chika, ngayon lang nag-welcome. Ayan, welcome to Malden Hill. Ito
Okay,
guys, ang
what's up?
ganda. Hi vlog, say hi. Ayun ako, ayun pala yun.
Uy, dito. Sakay dito, oh.
Eto nga, ayan. Yay, kuya. Let's try. Ate Ruby, kasya pala tayo dyan eh. Ah, kuya. Yay! Nice. You want to try again? Drag it up. Yay! Ay, ulit. Sayang, ulit. Di ko nakita. Ulit. Akyat ulit. Sabay kayo ni Sam. Ayun. Kuya, wait for Tita Ruby. I'll take your video. Kuya, wait for Tita Ruby. Kuya, ay... Yay! Si Tita Ruby. Ate, ano yan? Ba't nauna? Wait, kuya. Nauna yung ano ni ate. Ang tawag dito, sled? Woo! Where's kuya? Yay! Yeah? What? You did it by closing your eyes. Why? No, you should open your eyes. Yeah. Oh, you Papa will you sit down, dali. Papa will drag you up. Dali.
You want there on top?
No, that's too high. You go. Hold properly. I think they can go together na lang, di ba?
You just want to build?
Oh! Hold. Hey, that's Ate Pia. Let's say happy birthday to Ate Pia. Pia, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Experience for what do you call that? Tobogganing. Yeah. For those people who miss tobogganing, there's some fuel here. Not too high.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Some more. Yeah. God bless you all. We love you.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, cheese.
It's a cake. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ayun guys, pabalik na kami ng Detroit at nakakain na kami. Thank you Kuya Angelo at Ate Ruby and Pia na may birthday ngayon. So, see you guys. Oh, let's go na.